playing Terraria hard mode till I quit. I'm going to make a new account. It's good. R3 please. Oh my god. R3 please. So I'm just going to try how hard it is for the difficulty to be master mode. So let's try it. Finally, downloading is done. So for you guys, I will skip the downloading because that will be too long of a wait. So let's get into it. For Relay, I've only played in classic and expert mode, so I don't know how hard this will be. But I think it's not that hard for a beginner like me. Let's get with the basic. Some people say that this is ultra hard, but oh look, is that supposed to be hard? Maybe you guys have skill issues or something, because it seems like normal. Seems pretty normal to me. What you all guys crying about? Saying this is hard. Even my brother said that it's hard to play this. I don't see any part of this that's hard. This is hard. Oh fuck, dude. Crimson. What the fuck? Is Crimson over here so close to spawn? Is that normal? Let me just. Oh my. 22. What the fuck? I'm dead. What the fuck? How am I supposed to kill those guys? They keep coming. How can I progress like this, dude? Let me just get rid of this guy. Oh. Wait, why do they hurt so much? What the hell? Oh my god. How do you even progress? What the hell is this? Fucking god, dude. I get it why this is called master mode, but oh, this is going to be painful. This place is going to turn into a graveyard. What the fuck? How can you guys do this? Like, look, I'm going to die again. I'm gonna dig, I'm gonna dig, I'm gonna dig. Nice. I'm safe. Probably. Those dudes can't reach me now, huh? Idiots. So, I'm just going to mine for a few minutes. See. Hard mode seems so long, dude. Finally, a cave. A question for those who play Terraria at Master Mode. How are you guys doing this, dude? It's so hard. Like, genuinely. How can you guys keep doing this? I would have quit the first time I saw that kind of damage. Freaking 72 with full health 400. You can't stand a chance against that, dude. What the fuck? You guys are a menace for having to deal with this and be alright. Like, I would quit instantly. But since I'm doing this for the vid, I won't. But you can count on me that I won't be here for far. Just so... I'm so stupid. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just a pure idiot. The title of this video is Idiot Playing Master Mode for the First Time. See, an absolute idiot, dude. Should I go deeper or should I not? Master mode players are a menace. Oh. Are a menace for playing this game. This is hard as fuck. I beat Terraria like twice or thrice. How can you beat Terraria like this? Do you guys even have fun playing it? This pure hell, dude. Worst part of all is I haven't even gotten to the boss part yet. And I don't have torch, of course. How convenient. Let me just... I am definitely not struggling. Nice. Free. It's about to turn night, guys. Nighttime is the thing I hate about this game the most. Nice. Let me just make a house so I don't die. Make a fucking door. Nice. I'm safe now. Hopefully. So mobs don't spawn inside. Add light. And I'm thinking, I need furnace. But no torch though. Thank you for the slime. It's time to move. For real, I'm kinda scared. Furnace. What do you have for furnace? Oh, I don't have enough stone. Oh my... What the hell? No, is that guy holding... And I will be continued to be mauled by this motherfucker. I'm not safe anywhere at all. Not them. I need to kill that zombie. Oh my god! That dude is crazy. That... Ito kayo. Oh. Fucking god damn shit, man. I don't wanna